beginner mode here because the real value of this is in intermediate and advanced. That is where you can do really advanced stuff. Of course, you don't need to write a single line of code, but beginner mode itself is also very powerful that all of us can use. Okay? And let's get right into level 3, where in beginner mode, we learn how to create an image and then convert that image into a full-fledged video so that we can get great outputs. Alright? So, let's get right into it. And for the image generation part, right? Sadly, the tool that we have to use here is going to be a paid tool. And that's called as Midjourney. The tools that you can use here is Midjourney and Luma AI to be able to generate images and then go on to make videos as well. So in this case, we come to Midjourney. This is a tool that we're going to use. I come to create. Sadly, it is a paid tool. It cannot be done for free. And I use a prompt like this. Create a realistic and playful depiction of a cow standing in a lush green field on a sunny day. The cow has blue-colored fur and shiny golden dollar symbols and currency signs scattered all over its body. It wears a stylish golden sunglasses, giving it cool, wealthy and humorous vibe. Ensure the image is crisp, vibrant and visually appealing. That's the prompt that I've given. For generating images, right, you just have to tell what you want and AI can generate that for you. Let's click on the send button. It is starting to generate. Just in case if you want to generate images for free, then you can use a tool like Grok again. Grok is very good with images, and I can say generate an image. And I will ask the same prompt. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't as well. So it's weird, but this is free of cost if you want to try it. Right? So let us see what Grok comes up with. And look at that. Look how cool of an image AI came up with. Because I said a realistic, playful depiction of a cow standing in a lush green field on a sunny day, wearing glasses with dollar symbols on it. It came up with all these images. Right? Super duper cool images that it came up with. Let's see what Grok came up with. Oh, not bad. Grok came up with a decent image as well. It's free of cost. That is the best part. Okay? And we did this image generation for free. Okay, let's come to Midjourney. I like this image. Click on the download button. And I also kind of like this image. So I'm going to click on the download button. Okay, so I've downloaded both these images. Now, I want to convert these images into a video. I want to bring this cow to life. How do I do that? For that, I use a tool called as Luma Labs. Okay, this is the tool that I use, which is called as the Luma Labs. Okay, Dream Machine is the name of the tool. Luma Labs Dream Machine. We're going to share the links to all these tools anyway, right? And I just upload the images that I've downloaded of this cow from Midjourney. I upload that. And I just say pan, let's say pan right. Actually, we'll do pan. Oh, we can do pan. Right. Camera pan, right? That's what we say. And I click on the send button. And let AI do its magic. And basically what it will do is bring life to these images by panning. Okay? So it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to generate the image. So give it a second. Let's do its job. While it is generating the image, the song that I played some time back. Did you guys like the song? The song that I was playing when the data analysis was happening. Did you guys like the song? What if I told you that song was generated all using AI? The music, the song, everything was generated using AI. Do you guys want to learn how to do that? Do you guys want to learn how to generate a song? Very quickly while the video is being generated? Yes? Awesome. Let's do that while this video is getting generated. And for you to generate your own song, you can go to a tool like Suno AI. Suno AI is an incredible tool with which you can generate full songs with music and whatnot. Okay? And the way you do it is by going to this create button and just explain what you want. In this case, I will create a dynamic electrifying musical arrangement that celebrates and congratulates the individuals who dedicated 6 hours to mastering AI via Growth School. Right? We are basically celebrating new people, and I wanted it to create a song for me, for all of you people. I just click on create button here. And look at this. It is saying generating songs. You can see this. I can click on create again. and it's gonna generate 4 new songs for us. Right? In no time. That's all I say. Make a fun song dedicated to 6 hours of people who have attended 6 hours of mastering AI via Growth School, and one is already ready. Let's play this. And you can see the summary. Guys, what do you think of that song? There are more. It is free. This is one more that AI generated. I can just say Hindi rap. Click on create. Oh, now it is like generating a new you need to pay. Right? You can generate in Hindi, you can generate in multiple languages. It's crazy. Right? But we're using the free version, so it allows us to generate only so many songs per day. But that is where we are. Now, look at this video that AI kind of generated. There are more variations of it that has been. Look at this, guys. We just converted the image into a video like this. This image was just generated right now, and we now added video to that. Guys, isn't this crazy? What you're seeing? We of course created a song also very quickly. And we created this image, and then we converted that into a video. So your imagination is what is left. You can literally do whatever you want using AI. That's the best part. Right? So we generated an image, converted that into a video, and we also created a song all using AI. That is basically the quick gist of what you could do in level 3. But like I told, right, level 3 in the beginner zone is very basic, but in intermediate advanced you can do some absolutely wacky stuff, right? I'm going to talk about it towards the end so that all of you guys can level up. Right? Now, let's jump right into level 4, which is very exciting. In level 4 is where you learn how to build AI-powered applications. Where using AI, right, you can build full-fledged products without writing a single line of code. Of course, if you know how to write code, it's great, right? But if you don't know how to write code, that's fine as well, and you can build kick-ass products, right? And in the beginner zone of it, what I'm going to teach you today, of course, you can build extensive products. I'm going to show you how we build these products towards the end as well, during intermediate and advanced, the few products that we build. But right now, let us do something which is for beginners, which is let us build a website using AI, a personal website for me using AI. And you know what? The best part of this, we are not going to write a single line of code for this. The name of the tool that we're going to use is called as rollout.site. Okay, I'm going to share this website for you as well, so you don't have to worry. And what I'm going to do is, you remember my resume? I'm going to make a personal website from my resume. This is my resume that I downloaded from LinkedIn. I'm just going to copy the text here. Go to rollout, and I'm going to be like, make a kick-ass personal website which has minimal design majorly in black and neon green, uses nice beautiful icons which are also minimal. The feeling should be that it should look like the Apple website in some way. Use this information to build my personal website. Right? And I will just paste my resume all together here and click on generate. So this is again a website agent. So it's not going to give you a website just like that. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to design the website. Right now it is in creating. Let's give it a second. I want it to change to the building window. Once I see some parts of it, we will move on to the next part and we will come back 10 minutes later. Right? For us to see the website. There you go. It has come into this zone right now. Alright, now it is saying generating header and all. It's going to take good 10 minutes, guys, because it will do a lot of coding, understand all the text that we have given and convert that into website. It will take a lot of time. Look at this, some part of it is already visible. Okay, there you go, it comes in. So I'm going to skip this right now. I'm going to come back about 15 minutes later, right, so that we know it is done, right, and we're going to come back to it right after that to see the output that we have got. And I'm sure all of you guys absolutely love it. Now finally, let's jump into level 5. This is my favorite because I've been telling you guys that AI agents are here which can take a lot of jobs of lot of people. What are these AI agents? You guys will learn how to build a very simple AI agent right now. And the level 5 is all about automating things with AI agents. So here we will learn how to build a very simple AI agent using something called as a custom GPT or something also called as GEMS on Gemini. That is the tool that we're going to use. Okay. So what we're going to learn right now is to build a simple app on top of ChatGPT which can do a lot of work for us. Now, how do you build apps? For that, you have to click on this open sidebar and there is something called as Explore GPT. When you go to Explore GPT, right, this section is essentially a lot of people all over the world have built a lot of micro apps. And these are those apps. People from all over the world have built apps on top of ChatGPT. Now, why have they built apps on top of ChatGPT? Because you think ChatGPT is a general purpose. It can do a lot of things really well. But it is not kick-ass at everything. So if you want ChatGPT to do very specialized things, you have to build something called as GPTs. These are like micro apps on top of ChatGPT. And how do you do that? Of course, you can use all of this as well. But for you to create, you click on this create button and a new window kind of pops up. I'm sure a lot of people have not seen it. But let me tell you one thing. For you to create GPTs, you need a paid ChatGPT account. But right after this, I'm going to show you how you can do it for free as well. So don't worry about it. Okay? Learn the process. I'm going to show you how you can do this for free as well. This is how the window looks like, guys. The one on the left is where you talk to AI to build what you want to build. And the one on the right is where you can see what is being built. Okay. Let's build a simple app. Let's build a simple app which can actually, let's say, can generate a tweet on any topic you give. We want to generate a tweet on any topic we give, and that's the app that we're going to build right now. How do we build it? I come here and I just say it in text. I will okay. I will say act like a, you know what, guys, I can tell you this. Most of the times I don't type, I just say, right? I use a tool for that, and I'm going to show you that tool as well. So let me just say it out this time. I want you to build a tool for me which will act like a viral Twitter expert. The job is that I will give a topic and the tool should be able to write a tweet which will go viral on Twitter. Right? All I will give you a topic and you give me a tweet which can go viral on Twitter. I just said it out. Wow. That didn't work. Okay, let me type it out. I will act like a viral tweet generator. I will give you a topic and you should come up with a tweet that can go viral on X. Right? That's what I want to build, right? So I'm saying act like a viral tweet generator. So now it's saying updating GPT. Look at the right side. You'll see a lot of changes that will happen on the right side. Because it's building the tool for you on the back end. ChatGPT is literally building that tool for you on the back end. So you'll see a lot of changes happening on the right side very soon. So keep an eye on this preview part. Right, saying updating GPT because it's building in the back end at this point of time. Okay. It says nice. Let's call the GPT the viral tweet machine. That's its name. Look at that. It came up with a description. It came up with these 4 options and it's asking me, is viral tweet machine a good name? I say sounds good. And you can see very quickly the viral tweet machine will be named right here. Let's see what it does next. It says generating profile picture right now. So it's coming up with a profile picture. You can see this little icon that's here, right? It's probably going to come up with an image and it will replace that profile picture here. So we are not doing anything. I just said this. All I said is this. Act like a viral tweet generator. I will give you a topic and you should come up with a tweet that can go viral on X. That's all I told. Right? And it's doing everything on the back end, all by itself. There you go. Okay, looks like there was a hiccup generating the profile picture. You want me to try again? Sure. Try again. It says generating a profile picture again. Today looks like all the AIs are slow, right? Even Claude broke a couple of times. I've not seen it breaking for such a long time. Even ChatGPT is terribly slow. Weird. But that's okay. I think that's the world we're in. Every time AI becomes slow, right, I get excited. Saying someone is releasing an update. Look at that. It came up with a nice little profile picture and it updated. Guys, we did nothing. We just gave a single line of text saying, I want you to build a tool which will generate tweets. And it came up with a profile picture, it came up with a name, it came up with a description as well. Everything done right in there. And it's like, it's ready to go, locked in, ready to test some tweets. It's like, go ahead and try your tool that you have built. Let's give it a topic. Open. Let's say AI will take jobs away. That's a topic and we want a tweet to come in that which has the potential to go viral. It says tweet 1. AI won't take your job, but the guy who knows how to use AI better than you obviously will. Tweet 2. AI is going to steal our job. Bro, your job was clicking next on a slideshow titled 10 ways to be more predictive. And look at that. Guys, drop a boom in the chat if you think this is super cool. We just built this simple tool where we just gave a topic and it came up with 2 different tweets in no time. Isn't this super cool? Do you want to make this even better? Do you want to make this even better? Yes in the chat. I'm gonna be like, this is great. I want you to come up with 10 tweets at once for every topic I give. Okay. Also make sure the tweets. I'm giving some feedback right now. How I want the tweets to be. Make sure the tweets that you come up with are very engaging and relatable to the Indian audience who are currently working for a job. Okay. I want every tweet to be reshared by people. Guys, is my screen visible? Is my screen visible? That's the feedback that I give. This is great. I want you to come with 10 tweets at once on every topic I give. Also make sure what you come up with are very engaging and relatable to the Indian audience who are currently working for a job. Looks like it's working for most of the people, so I'm gonna skip. And look at this. It's saying updating GPT. So I'm saying two things. One, I want you to come with 10 tweets, not 2. And 2, I want it to be more engaging and more relatable to the Indian audience who are working for a job currently. Because that's the audience that I have on Twitter. Right? I'm giving it more feedback on how I want the tweets to be. It's saying updating GPT. And it says it's done. Give me a topic and I will drop 10 tweets. Let's give the same topic actually. I will say the topic. AI will take jobs. And let's see what kind of answers it comes up with. I said 10 tweets. 10 tweets. Spicy, relatable. Okay. Let us see if it does the job. 1. Pause. AI will replace your job soon. Me. Bhai, AI को बोल कि late night calls, जीरा tickets और चाय बनवाने भी सीखते दो. AI को चाय बनवाना भी सिखा दो. HR, we are upskilling employees for the AI future. Also HR, please fill this Excel sheet manually and mail it thrice. Guys, aren't this relatable? Drop a boom in the chat if you think these are relatable. AI will take jobs. Indian parents तो बेटा अब AI से शादी कर ले, वो भी इंजीनियर है और काम भी करता है. Everyone scared of AI will take the jobs. Meanwhile बस ये PPT बन जाए कल के रिव्यू के लिए फिर AI से डील करेंगे. AI might take your job, but AI will never understand Indian jugaad, office chugli, or how to fix the printer without IT. AI can write code, design slides, write email, but can it handle boss ka move, clients urgent at 6 p.m. meetings, office chai pe gossip? Don't think so. You see what it is doing? Because it said related to the Indian audience. It has started to give tweets which are so cool. But you see what? Guys, do you like what you're seeing? Do you like the tweets that you're seeing? Yes. Awesome. But you know what? There's a problem to this. I'm very lazy as a human. And I don't want to sit and read 10 tweets. So I want AI to do more work. So what I'm going to say is, great. Now, don't only come up with 10 tweets, but also rate each of the tweets from a scale of 1 to 10. On the potential for it to go viral. Also give me the reason on why you think it will go viral. Order them from highest viral score to lowest. And give the output always in a table. That's what I say. Let us see what it does. So I'm basically saying, don't only come up with tweets, but also rate each one of the tweets from a scale of 1 to 10 on how much, what do you think if it can go viral or not, and then give me a reason on why you think it will go viral, and order them from the one that has a potential to go viral on the top, the worst one in the bottom, and give me the whole output in the table. That's a lot of work AI has to do. That's like a very kick-ass tool, right? If you're able to build this, that AI has to do. And there you go. Locked and loaded. Drop your first topic is what it says. Let us see what it does right now. We'll give the same topic. AI will take jobs. Let us see what it comes up with. Okay. Guys. Drop a insane in the chat if you think this is insane. Boss, AI will take your job. Me. Perfect. Can I take my EMIs, family expectations and back pain? Reason. Sharp, relatable, hilarious, clapback, this it starts on millionaires, juggling everything. 9.3 is the score. If AI can't do my job, pay my rent, survive my manager and not during Zoom calls, let it. I'm tired anyway. AI will take jobs high, nepotism, low heights, 16-hour work days already did. AI is just late to the party. Guys, just see what we did. In 15 minutes, we built this incredible tool, which takes in as a topic, and it comes up with this incredible output, 10 different tweets in a table, with a reason, so you can simply copy what you like and use it. How much would you rate this tool from a scale of 1 to 10? A topic, and you get all these results in a table, and we build this in 15 minutes. Let me know in the chat. And meanwhile, as you do it, now if you're happy with the tool, you can simply click on this create button, and you get three options. You can share it as only me, and you can share it with only yourself, you can use it. You can select anyone with the link. That basically means anyone with the link to this tool can use it. Or you can select GPT Store so that everyone in the world can use it. In this case, I will say only with the link. Click on the save button. And if I say GPT, look at this. Our product is ready. Let's give one more topic. Topic. Elon Musk is an alien. Let us see what it comes up with. It should work. Okay. Elon Musk is not human. He just announced the product, tweeted a meme, fired someone, launched the rocket, and had a kid. All in one day. 9.5 out of 10. Elon Musk is definitely an alien. No human enjoys meetings that much. Elon Musk is an alien, and Earth is just his internship project. I love it. I love this tweet. Elon Musk is an alien, and Earth is just his internship project. Guys, what do you guys think? Elon Musk is the guy your manager talks about when they say think out of the box. Elon Musk का प्लेसमेंट तो हो गया, अब हम भी मार्च चलते हैं. Right? So the tool works and it works brilliantly well. Right? Awesome. Folks, did you learn how to build a AI bot right now? Did you guys learn how to build an AI bot right now? Yes. Do you guys want to build an advanced bot right now? Do you guys want to build an advanced bot right now? An even more advanced bot, like an AI freaking agent. How many of you guys want to do it? Me in the chat. Yes. All right. Let us learn how to do it. But for that, for you to learn how to build an you cannot just talk to AI and get it to work. You have to learn to write the prompt, and you have to learn this structure called as markdown prompting. You have to write your own for you to be able to do this. Let me how the prompt on this virus looks like. If I go, this is the back end. You can see the machine. Viral tweet machine. Change the name. Let's say I just added 2.0 and disk. And then there is something called I think that we spoke with AI. Do that thing, and it converted that prompt. And that is right, AI is able to do. But able to build an AI bot. Write your own prompt. And then advanced prompt looks like this. There's a GPT that we built. Here, look at this. Look how there is a hash stars and whatnot. Many of you guys want advanced prompt like this. The result you can. In fact, people. How many of you guys have questions based on everything that learned so far? How many of you guys have questions? They built an AI which can answer, and I will build agent right. How many of you guys want to learn? Drop a build our first. Now. Is there any question? Just like an AI mentor. Should we build that advanced? Okay. For that, you have to learn like this. Okay. Advanced that it has a hashtag, has stars and whatnot. That is because we have to learn as the markdown. What is the markdown prompting? Markdown prompting has like I said, role, objective. Already learned in the magic. Context is one new thing that where we try to why is important. In notes is like a summary. We learned about this prompting formula. These hashtags and stuff. These hashtags are essentially called as basically using hashtags and stars. Plain ChatGPT. What is most important? You see, when it comes to humans, right? When you piece of text that big like this, it's important because it's a headline. See a part of text which isn't you read it and give it more important because it isn't bold. But right? You cannot increase the font text because it's a plain text. As a result, you have to in the language that it understands. So when you put hash like this in front role every text that is next to it imagines it to be in, look at the size of the font. It imagines it to be like a head. If you put two hashtags, imagines it as H2 or headline number 2. Just still a headline, but small. If you put three in the beginning, it will be H3. You can see this. There are three hashtags. So as a result, it's H3. Still a headline, but smaller than H1 and H2. When you put a text stars and you put text middle, AI imagines to be in bold. This is our way the AI how what is important and that is how I this and hashtags the stars and whatnot. Understood? Want to show something that is very important. We have to put things in hashtags so AI understands that this is a headline. Important. This text is in bold. This is important. Guys, everyone, yes in the chat. And basically what mark that is. Brilliant. All right. Now let's start get with writing the prompt. Now I said we were a long prompt like this. A lot of people will be like, that's gonna tough time. Long prompt. Don't worry. Right? What we're gonna use AI to write this prompt. Not gonna write it ourselves. And we're the workflow for that. So for that, I will go to ChatGPT and I will tell what prompt. So AI will write for me. Right? GPT, and I will be like R and put at ting extend prompts. Write a prompt for an AI agent is a AI of growth school. Top of the content is when a learner asks a question doubt, it will through the transcript of the session that ended. Find the answer the learner asked. Explain the answer in the track is the base in the knowledge base. Now here I said I will attach a transcript. Basically what we're gonna do is you know session, right? We told according to this session. Then why are we so that transcript of the session. So when we get video, right? Something like this. When we right? From if I zoom is the transcript. That is the mentor stock. It is all there. You can see 200 pages of mentor spoke about. This is all the text in this session. Of this session. This is the I did this session before also 2 weeks back. Right? Session of this. Now I have transcript of the whole file. Now a transcript like this. Right? And any video that you want, you can just Google and video to transcript free. There are a bunch of like Happy Scribes are very good. If you upload a video, get a transcript like this. This is the subtitles. It's like YouTube also gives subtitles. You can get the for free. This is what we have downloaded. Right? What we will do is the AI. We will attach this and the prompt that is the job of you is when learner asks a question, you go through the transcript, try to find the answer, understand the answer and explain it like a simplest way possible. That is the I'm asking it to write. So there you go. I write your exploited and I just said that. And here's an extensive prompt for the growth. And it has started to write the prompt for us. Let's give it a while as it writes the prompt. Writing an extensive prompt like this for us will take a lot of time. As a result, I'm just getting AI to do it, and this is how I work. Right? I get AI to do all the hard work for me. Let us wait for it to kind of fill in the information. You can see it is still filling in the information, still writing the prompts for us. But as it is writing the prompt, if you realize, I told you that a prompt should be like this. Role, objective, context, instructions with hashtags and stars. But AI didn't come up with a prompt like that. AI is coming up with a prompt in plain text English. So how do we rewrite the prompt in this format? For that, what I do is, now the prompt is being written, I just say rewrite the prompt in the markdown format and give me the output in the code editor. Guys, I'm going to share all these prompts with you so you don't have to worry. And what do I do? I come here, just copy the text that is here, come back to ChatGPT here, and I just paste the form. I'm basically saying, listen, I got the prompt, this is great, but I want this prompt to be in the markdown format. And give me the output in the code. Just click on the send. Now it wrote the prompt right. The whole long prompt that it wrote, which would have taken us ages to write. Now it is giving the prompt in the code editor. Look at this. Role, star, everything is out here. Guys, drop a boom in the chat if you think this is insane. We are basically getting AI to write the prompt, and now that the prompt is ready, we are getting AI to rewrite that in the format that we want, which is markdown. Isn't this crazy? Isn't this absolutely crazy? There you go. It is still writing the prompt. But didn't I tell you that custom GPTs or building an app on ChatGPT is paid? But I also told you how I teach you how to do it for free. You agree? You remember? Do you guys want to learn how to build this AI agent for free? There you go. The prompt is completely written. Now, for us to build this AI agent for free, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this prompt from ChatGPT, and we're not going to use ChatGPT again. I will go to Gemini, which is gemini.google.com. It says Gemini Advanced. That means it's a paid account. But I will go to a free account of a friend of mine. I'm right now in a free account, you can see. And on Gemini, there is this icon called as Gem Manager here. If I tap on this, right, Gemini Gem Manager opens up. Now, what is this Gemini Gems? Gemini Gems are equivalent of GPTs. You can build your own apps on top of Gemini Gems as well, right? But this is free of cost. So what I'm gonna do, I came to this button called as Gemini Gems by clicking on this Gem Manager that is right here, right? I'm on the free account. I'll click on New Gem. There you go. Here we are. Now I have to name it. I'll call it the Growth School AI Mentor. And here is the instruction part. Right? So what do I do? Because I've already created the prompt. I just copy here, come to Gemini and paste the prompt. There you go. The prompt is ready. Now we have to give it the knowledge base. You can see this. There is something called as knowledge right here, and it is allowing us to upload a file. So what I'm gonna do? The transcript that we have of the session that I did in the past, which is very similar to this, I can simply download this. Come to Gemini Gems, and then I will just attach this. I'll just drop this transcript here, and there you go. You can see this. It is being attached at this point of time. And done. We have the prompt ready. We have the knowledge base ready. Let us give it a shot. Okay. Let us ask a question. What all tools were covered in the session? Look at this. It says just a second. It's analyzing the knowledge base. I'm assuming. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Numerous. ChatGPT. All of this is right here. It's pulling in information from here. You learn how to build custom GPTs, Perplexity, Gamma app, Midjourney, Grok, all the tools. What are the tools that were used for thinking model or reasoning models? Let's see if it's able to get it right. Because we spoke about ChatGPT 1.0 Pro and all of that. Look at that, guys. ChatGPT 1.0 Pro and DeepSeek. Obviously, this time I covered more. Last time when I was doing it, I didn't cover all. I just showed people two of them. Guys, isn't this insane? Isn't this insane? We're just asking a question and AI is able to answer. Right? If you like what you're saying, I can simply click on the save button and the Gemini Gem is ready to be used. Right? I can share it with anyone. Anyone can use it and whatnot. And I can ask more questions. Which tool was used for creating presentations? It is again analyzing the data that I've given. And look at that, Gamma.app. Isn't that the correct answer, my friends? Isn't that the correct answer? That's it. We built AI agent. Now imagine, there are so many people who have attended the session. You know what? In the last 1 year, in fact, in the last 3-4 months, more than 1 lakh people have attended the session. If each of them has 5 doubts, that's 5 lakh questions. I have to hire hundreds of people just to clear doubts. But now, we built a simple AI agent which can answer any question that you guys might have. Isn't this incredibly powerful? Isn't this incredibly powerful? This is what I mean by AI agents. Instead of hiring 100 people, I just built an AI agent that all of you guys can use it for free. Yes, you can do the same. You can upload your meeting transcript also and ask questions of the meeting. You do whatever you want. I'm just showing you guys an example. Now, with that being said, you remember we wanted to create a website? Do you guys want to see the website right now? It should be built by now. Yes? Guys, this is the website. Look at this. Hello, I'm Vaibhav Susinthi. Get in touch, view experiences. Look at this website, guys, that AI has created. What do you guys think of this? Languages that I speak, Growth School and all my experiences right here. These are the companies that I've invested in. My investment philosophy, my top skills, my additional expertise, my languages that I speak, the achievements and recognitions that I have. Get in touch. The whole website is created using AI from my resume. Do you guys think this is beautiful? Do you guys like what you're seeing? How crazy is this? This is the power of AI. And you know what? This is mobile friendly as. Look at this. I've converted this into the mobile format and it works on a mobile phone as well. Guys, I have a question for all of you people. Now that you have got to this point, do you guys believe, agree when I say this? Or do you guys agree with the fact that AI is more powerful than you thought it is? Did you feel that AI is more powerful than you thought when you came into this session? That is the world we are living in. So what we have covered so far today is level 1 to level 5. When we started to learn what generative AI is, we learned prompting and we played with a bunch of AI tools as well, like Emily, AI, Perplexity and whatnot, and built presentations, did data analysis, build a whole dashboard as well. And then we learned how to generate images using AI and convert that into video. In fact, we freaking built a song using AI. Then on the next level, what we did was we built a full freaking website using my resume without writing a single line of code. And finally, we built our first AI agent, which is a Q&A bot, which can answer any question that you have. This is the beginner zone of all the 5 levels. Do you guys want to know what is in intermediate and advanced and what are possible with it? Very quickly. yes in the chat if you would like to. See, this is not for everyone. I know when people joined, there were about 250 people who joined, but right now there are only like around 170, 180, right? You guys are phenomenal. You guys didn't give up. Right? And that is why I kept everything to the end. So that only the best people who have the patience, who want to learn, will actually learn. Now, the next 15 minutes is going to be incredibly important. So focus. So really focus. Right? So to become a rockstar AI generalist, like I spoke in the before, you need to learn the full roadmap. The beginner, intermediate, advanced, and all the tools that encompasses. And that is what we're gonna talk about right. Like I said, level 1 is foundations aware large language models. Level 2 is advanced prompting. Level 3 is image and video. Level 4 is automating tasks, and level 5 is building AI-powered features. Now, let's get right into learning or knowing about intermediate and advanced levels as well. Now, in level 1, right, intermediate part is where you learn how you can integrate AI into external tools. You have to master advanced prompting techniques. Like I said, right, you saw a list of prompts, like tree of thought and all of those prompting techniques, right? You need to learn all of that, and essentially, you have to learn the concepts of something called as RAGs and fine-tuning. Now, what the hell is fine-tuning? Fine-tuning is actually taking any AI model that is out there, bring that on board, essentially train with your own information, so that the AI model will work for you in the way you want it to work. Right? So that is the level 1 part of it. These are the kind of things you have to learn. For this, you can learn tools like Fireflies, you can learn tools like BookLM, Copilot, DeepMind by Google, Rose, Phrase, Umata, VectorShift, Claude, and things like that. This is level 1. And on level 2, like I said, in the advanced one, right, you have to learn advanced prompt, how to build AI voice agent, so that it has memory and can answer questions. And like I said, learn about something called as RAGs. Now, what is RAGs? When you have a lot of data and you want AI to kind of search within that data, you have to implement a system of RAGs. And also something very important, a lot of you guys actually asked me this question, saying that Vaibhav, are there only ChatGPT? There are a lot of AI models out there which are open source. And you can find those AI models and can literally install that on your computer, and these AI will work without internet. For that, you have to learn a lot of things like Ollama, figure out all the AI models out there like Hugging Faces. You can build a voice agent using Vapi and explore all the AI models on Mistral AI, Google AI Studio, play with all these platforms to get a very good picture. Do you guys want to see demos of everything, or you just guys want to learn the levels? Would you guys want to see the demo in the chat? So that you get a perspective of what you could possibly do. Yes? Brilliant. Let's do the demos as well for every level. Well, I tell you one thing, for you to finish level 1 and level 2, because after today, right, tomorrow there's a session, so make sure you show up. I will teach you automation there. But the idea here is, we want you to go out and learn all these things after tomorrow. Right? For you to finish intermediate advanced of level 1 and level 2 together, it will take you about 5 months to 6 months when you learn it yourself, and you have to dedicate 10 hours a week. See, if you can't even dedicate 10 hours a week, you will get nowhere. Okay? So if you're able to dedicate 5 months, 5 to 6 months max, you will be able to master level 1 and level 2 from beginner to intermediate to advanced, and you can play with all these things. Now, I told you can literally install an AI model on your computer using a tool called as Ollama. Now, once you install a tool like Ollama, right? If you open terminal, now you might what you see might be like, oh, Vaibhav, you're a developer. I don't know how to write a single line of code, right? This is the terminal. I actually am running all the AI models on my computer. Okay, and you can see this activity monitor very soon. So on this, I can say Ollama. And there you go, it came up with a bunch of commands. And if you want to see the list of AI models that I'm running on my computer right now, right? I can just say Ollama list and look at this. I'm running Gamma 3, Llama 3 which is by Meta. DeepSeek I'm running on my computer because DeepSeek is a Chinese brand and I don't want my data to go there. So it's all running on my computer and Llama 3 as well. If I want to run any of them, right, I can say Ollama run, let's say in this case Llama. Llama is an AI model by Meta, by the way. I can click on the send and it says you can run right now. So let us now I can start talking to it. Okay? Now let us say I want to know what came first. Chicken or egg. Right? And look at this. It's able to give me an answer, and this answer is not coming from the internet, guys. This answer is coming from something that is on my computer. I can say expand more and it's going to expand and look at this activity monitor. Look at this GPU. It says 86% right now. It has gone to 83 again. It will go up again. This is the GPU, 81%. You can see this. So it is literally running on my machine right now, this AI. Right, and it's using my computer's GPU. In fact, I don't use a lot of ChatGPT and all of that anymore. I run most of these AI models using Chatbox. There's a nice little UI interface, and all of this AI is running on my computer right now. Right? It's all running locally, and I told you I use DeepSeek for free. Right? And it runs on my computer. This is how I use it. I use the Chatbox, and I can still ask the question. What comes first? Chicken or egg? And look at this. It is thinking right now. And if you don't believe it's using my computer or not, look at this GPU usage. It is all using my GPU on my computer right now to run this locally. That means no internet access needed, no need to pay anyone. It's an AI model that I own, which is running on my computer. Isn't this crazy? And these are the kind of things you will be able to do once you finish level 1 and level 2. Where you can run your own models and you don't have to be a developer for this. But for you to become an AI generalist, you need to be good at all these things. Very important. Now, level 3, like I said, today we learned how to generate an image and a video. A lot of people might also be thinking, why do we have to learn how to generate images and videos and all of that? How is that even important? Why should I even do it? Well, the reason why it is very important is because you are becoming an AI generalist. And for you to become a kick-ass AI generalist, you need to be able to solve problems across the spectrum, not just with text. It doesn't come with shapes and forms. As a result, you need to be very good with image and video as well. For this, you have to learn something called the Stable Diffusion. And you have to learn this new skill called as Comfy UI, with which you can build your own Midjourney. You can build your own Leonard. You can build your own platforms like that without writing a single line of code using a tool like Comfy UI. Right? These are the kind of techniques you have to learn. For that, you can obviously explore Coolio AI, Flux, Civit, HeyGen, Stability, 11 Labs, Comfy UI, like I said. Stability AI is the one that does Stable Diffusion. In fact, let me show you something. I think you'll find this very cool. Let me open my Instagram. Okay. Let's go to Reels. Look at this. Check this readout. It's actually capable of reading my thoughts right now. The crazy part, it costs less than 5,000. This is day one of Future Tech Updates. It's called Omi, and it's not your typical smart device. This thing is basically like having Iron Man's jowl around your neck or your head. But here is what's crazy. It can actually read your thoughts. The company behind this based now. Why am I showing you this? In fact, you can watch any of my videos. I have about 500k followers, right? You can watch any of my videos. I get millions and millions of views in a few of them, right? And look at all these images. Do you think I've taken all these pictures? Look at this in this fancy suit. In fact, I'll show you one. Look at this in an astronaut suit. All these images are generated using AI. These are AI images generated based on training my face on it. Well, that is not the crazy. The crazy part is that the script of the video that you just saw or any video that I've posted in the last 4 months are generated using AI. Well, not just the script. The voice that you heard was generated using AI, and that was not me. And not just the voice, the video that is me talking in that video is not me, it is my AI clone. Now I'll play one more video. You tell me what do you think of it.
Bro Code became one of India's hottest beer brands. But here's the crazy part. They don't even sell.
Guys, that is not me. That's my AI clone. And the audio also is not me. That is my AI clone.
Everyone orders Bro Code thinking it's beer. That's exactly what they want. Look closely at the bottle. Something's hidden in plain sight.
What do you guys think? Isn't this crazy?
Bro Code isn't beer at all. It's wine packaged as beer with 15% alcohol. That's 3 times stronger than regular beer. They also make sure it is placed next to beer instead of wine, so that perception stays as beer. But wait, it gets better.
Are you able to identify that this AI and not me? Doesn't it sound like me? Doesn't it look like me? All these videos.
Elon Musk is suing India. X, formerly Twitter, just filed a lawsuit against our country. The Indian government created a system that
Guys, that is the crazy part, and that is why you will be able to do all this, right? If you do level 3 properly, you'll be able to do even more advanced things than this. All using AI. I don't shoot my content anymore. It's all done by AI. The script is written by AI. The audio is done by AI. The video is done by AI. Only the editing is done by human being. Even the thumbnail is AI. That is the power of learning image and video creation the right way. And of course, you can do so much more, right? All using AI. These are the kind of things that you can accomplish. Level 3 for you guys to learn yourself will take about 3 months, I feel, 3 to 4 months, and you can do it all by yourself without a problem. Finally, level 4 is where you build your own AI-powered solution. The best part about the world that we're living in is that you can build really complicated stuff, really like impressive products without writing a single line of code. I told you that all my scripts of this is written by AI, and it is written by a product that I've built without writing a single line of code called the Instagram Reels script generator. This is a product that I built in 3 hours without writing a single line of code which my team uses, right? And here I can give any topic. Let's say OpenAI will go bankrupt. Right? The first thing that it does is it sends the information that I just gave to, it sends it to Perplexity and does the research in the backend and gives this research back to me. So any topic that I give, AI does the research via Perplexity, and once I'm happy with the research, I can approve and continue. Then it asks me if I want to add some personal thoughts to it. I don't want to add any personal thoughts, so I skip this step. Then what it will do is send this research to Claude to rewrite the whole thing into a script in my own style. So I've trained the Claude bot, I fine-tuned the Claude bot to write scripts like me. Again, I've done all of this without writing a single line of code, and it comes up with 3 different scripts that I can select. If I want more scripts, I can click on load more scripts as well. If I like something, I can select the script, I can say refine your script. Now look at that. In a few clicks, it did the research, it wrote the scripts, it gave me 10 different hook ideas, and also is the whole script is here, and I can make the script better by basically chatting with it, and the script will be made better. My team works on a script like this using AI, and then sends the script to the AI agent of mine, which creates the audio, video, and all of that, and the video editor stitches the video and puts it on Instagram. This whole tool is built without writing a single line of code. Okay? And there are a lot of tools that you can learn how to use it, like Bold, VersalVio, Lovable here, and so many other tools out there, right? That's the crazy part. Well, if you're a developer, you can of course build it by writing code. But if you're not a developer too, you can build kick-ass products like this without writing a single line of code. In fact, one of our students, right, build this product called as Audio Notes, which does close to $100,000, so about 80 lakhs in revenue. The whole product was built without writing a single line of code. He built it all using AI and makes a ton of money. That is the power of AI, and that is the power of level 4. Once you finish level 1 to level 3, you get to a point where you can build advanced stuff like this. And that is the real power, and you don't need to know how to write a single line of code for to make it. And finally, on level 5, now we've gone through all the 4 levels, you can literally build AI agents AI agents which can automate things for you. You have to learn tools like Make, Lindy, Zapier, True AI, N8N, and you'll be able to build advanced AI agents which can execute tasks for you and can literally replace. And this is a very important skill set. Will take you 4 to 5 months to learn it yourself. If you dedicate at least 10 hours a week. So I feel in like 5 months, in like 1.5 years, right, you will be able to learn everything in intermediate and advanced across the board to become an AI agent. Now with that being said, do you guys want to see a slightly advanced AI agent that I use every day? Do you guys want to see an advanced AI agent that I use every day for you to get a sense of what you could fundamentally build? Yes. Let me show you that. So what I'm going to show you is called, so basically I wanted to hire an executive assistant, right? An executive assistant which can manage my calendar, read my emails, reply to my emails, check my calendar, log meetings for me, and most importantly, right, I wanted this executive assistant to attend my meetings and take notes, because I was not able to attend all the meetings I had to. And as a solo founder, it was important for me to attend meetings, and I was not able to attend all because I have so many meetings every day. I have to work 7 days a week. As a result, I was trying to hire a person first, and I just could not find the person that I really liked. As a result, my team basically said, Vaibhav, let's build an AI agent which can do all of this. And we actually built an executive AI assistant which can manage my email, which can manage my calendar, which can attend meetings on my behalf, and we are building capabilities for it to do much more advanced stuff as well right now. And the way this works is that there is a super agent, and that super agent's name is Jerry. And under Jerry, there are a bunch of other agents. This is called the agent network. One agent is specialized with email, one agent is specialized with calendar, one agent is a meeting agent which attends meetings on my behalf. When I am not attending meetings, my AI agent attends meetings, takes all the notes and sends it to me and whatnot. That is what we built so that we don't have to hire. And instead of spending 25-30 lakhs per year hiring an executive assistant, a good one, we basically built this AI agent. And this AI agent has been built inside of our Slack. Now, you might be like, what is Slack? Slack is basically like a simple platform. Right? Which basically can where I talk to my team. You can build a very similar AI agent in your WhatsApp as well if you want. Or if you want to build this AI agent, you can build an AI agent which you can talk on phone as well. Right? But I built this on Slack because that is what I prefer. Right? Okay. The name of the AI, my executive assistant is actually Jerry, and it can do a bunch of things. Let's say I want to check what all meetings do I have tomorrow. Do I have tomorrow? What it does is it goes through, like I said, it has integration with my calendar. So it goes through my super agent Jerry says, Vaibhav has asked for meeting. So I have to go and check his calendar. As a result, it will invoke or it will knock the door of the calendar agent and will be like, what meetings does Vaibhav have? Quickly tell me. And the calendar agent will go and check out my calendar because it's integrated with my calendar. It will pull out the information and send the super agent. The super agent will organize that information and send that answer back. It takes about a couple of minutes for the answer to come, and there you go. It says I have 2 meetings scheduled for tomorrow. The project pipeline sync up weekly, where we have to review progress of Click app, which is an app that we are building, and GS Daily Stand Up Engineering, which is a daily stand up that we have. These are the 2 meetings that I have to attend. Right? Now, let us say I have to ask a follow-up question. I told you that my AI agent also attends meetings on my behalf. So let's say I ask about Flick app. Can you give me a detailed report on things we spoke in the last meeting of I have to copy and paste the meeting name or else it will get confused. And what we discussed about the Flick app. Now this is very interesting. Okay, when I say, give me a detail, remind me what we spoke last week about FlickApp in the product pipeline sequence meetings. The super agent again understands the question. It says, oh, Vaibhav is asking about a meeting that happened in the past. So it goes and knocks the door of the agent which attends meetings on my behalf. Pulls that info, goes into that meeting, reads up all the notes it has taken. Then we said it is about FlickApp. So finds the information about the FlickApp on it, kind of will summarize and will send the report maybe in a second or two. I don't know. Sometimes it takes up to 90 seconds because it has to do a lot of work in the back end. But this is the beauty. I don't have to attend meetings. It will attend meetings on my behalf. I can just talk to it and it will give me reports, right? So let's wait for it to give us the report. If it doesn't work, oh, there you go. If it doesn't work, I basically have to say, can you try again? And it will do it again and give me the answer. And look at that. Certainly based on the last meeting here, the key updates of the app, UI testing pending, backend integration issues, go live timeline, bunch of things. Guys, don't you think this is super cool? Yes. You know what? I also told you by the way that you can send an email. So I can say, can you send an email to Kamlesh asking him about the let's say what do we ask him? Sprint goals. Sprint goals of the upcoming sprint. And send me the Jira before tomorrow's meeting. Now what happens here is crazy. I'm like, send an email to Kamlesh asking about sprint goals of the upcoming sprint and send me the Jira before tomorrow's meeting. When I do this, right, first it will invoke the email agent. Jerry will invoke the email agent. It will find Kamlesh in the company. With the email ID @growthpool.io. Once it finds the email ID of the person, it will then draft the email and send. In this case, if there were two Kamlesh, let's say there was a Kamlesh Kumar and Kamlesh Singh, it will get confused. As a result, I need to be very specific with the multiple people with the same name. But in this case, because Kamlesh is only one, I could just say find the email of the Kamlesh and it will be able to find. And then, but it doesn't send email right away. It takes about 15 minutes to be able to send the email. So it should send a confirmation to us. And 15 minutes later or 20 minutes later, it runs a cron job and kind of sends an email. Oh, there you go. The confirmation is here. Certainly, I reach out to Kamlesh and request a sprint goals ahead of the meeting. There you go. Isn't this absolutely nuts? Right? This is the agent that I use on almost on a daily level. Of course, we basically did a reset of this so that you guys will get to see the conversation that we have. And do you guys want to see the advanced capabilities that we are building into this? We are building advanced capabilities where it can go and do work for me on my behalf. Do you guys want to see that advanced capability that we are building? Yes. Very quickly. Okay. Let me try doing that. Okay. So I cannot show you that because that's in the development. We use something called as a responses API to be able to build this. Guys, let me tell you one thing. All of this is built without writing a single line of code. My team of AI generalists don't know how to write code. They have all done it in 2 days. This agent has been built in 2 days and we have not written a single line of code. And this is a new capabilities that we are adding to this. I think it will be ready in a couple of weeks, if not more, which is basically the operator capability. Now let me demo you the capability and what it can do so that you get a sense. So this is the next leg of basically what we are building inside of this, of agents basically. Operator is also open via API for me to integrate this into my tool. This is what I'm integrating inside of our executive assistant, which can go out and do tasks. In this example, I'll quickly show you an example where basically I wanted someone to go to Y Combinator website. There are lists of companies here, which this Y Combinator is this startup accelerator to invest in companies. I wanted to come up with new startup ideas, AI companies that we can build inside of Growth, right? And I didn't have any ideas. So I was like, listen, somebody actually recommended me, go through the companies that Y Combinator has invested in. Once you go through the companies, you'll find a lot of ideas that you can build yourself for India. I was like, great. But when I come to Y Combinator, right, there are 5,000 companies that I have to go through. That is, I have to go through 5,000 companies, open one by one each one of them, read about them, see if that's a good fit for India, see this is something that I can build or not, and then kind of do this. And I don't have an executive assistant to do it, I just have an AI. So how do I do this in an automatic way? Well, operator can do that in an automated way. Let me show you how it works. I just send a prompt like this to operator, act like an expert researcher and data scraper to gain insights on potential startup ideas. I'm the founder of Growth School, my strengths, my weaknesses, and I'm saying I want to leverage my existing 10 million consumer audience to build a startup. And I'm telling it the steps. Go to the Y Combinator website, click on the list of W25 bags, that is this option right here. Select that option for me. Go through each of the startup, pick up the name, one line description, website link and all of that, and evaluate the startup for relevance, and copy and paste all the relevant companies inside of this Google Sheet. Just like I would give a task to any human being, right? That's all I say. I send this prompt to operator, and that's it. It says extract startup idea insights. Guys, check this out. My hands are off. There's a Chrome window that AI has opened in the backend. And it is doing all of that. Funny? Are you here?
Yes, Vaibhav.
If you explain what is happening to people on this, I'll just be back in next 2 minutes.
Oh, sure. Yes. So folks, as you can see on the screen, on the left side you will be able to see operator doing its work, which is basically it has taken over Vaibhav's computer as an agent, and it is doing the work that it has been asked to do, right? So as you can see, it has opened a tab on its own. It's going through Y Combinator's website, which we would have had to do manually, but it's all done by AI agent right now. Vaibhav is not on the other side. Actually, on the left side, you will be able to see what it actually is doing. It is returning to the main list and it is going ahead and reviewing startups. Of course, this agent you might think that it's slightly slow right now, as months go by, this is going to get much faster and economical as well. But there you can see that Vaibhav's hands are off. I just put the spotlight on him. But you can see that he's drinking water, but the work is going on the browser.
Guys, this is not me doing anything. This AI doing just for now. Because this was working. I had to pee. So I ran to the washroom, but AI was doing the work in the back end. Right? So that is the power of where we are living, right? And we are building this capability into our executive assistant, which can go and do jobs for us. Now, I have already done this some time back. It went on for like a couple of hours, going through each one of the 165 companies that are on the W25 list. Opened each one of them, understood what is in there, created a group. I shared the Google Sheet as well. You can see it is opening all tabs right now, right? It opened everything, read about all the companies. I shared the Google Sheet to it as well. On Google Sheet, it filled all the information about all these companies. And when I woke up the next day, the sheet was ready. Something that would have easily taken any human being 5 to 6 days to do was done with AI all by itself by using the computer in the back end. This basically is the power of AI agents. Now imagine if it is able to do this, it will be basically able to do almost anything that is on a computer. Isn't this insane? Now do you believe when I say AI agents can take over jobs? And this is right now. Don't you think it will be 10 times faster in 6 months? Somebody is like, is this your AI agent or you? This is me. I'm not AI right now. I hope that I get to the AI point some point of time. But you get the point. Guys, drop an insane if you like what you're seeing, and if you think what you're seeing is insane at this point of time. Everything is done by AI in autopilot while we are chilling. That is the crazy part, and that is the power of AI agents. I'm going to stop this from running because it will go on and I want to not do it later because it's already done. This was for me to demo it, and we are building this capability inside of our executive assistant as well. You can build an executive assistant like this, like I just showed you, which is the executive EA, right? You can build this AI agent, integrate capabilities like this without writing a single line of code. And for that you have to learn level 5. For you to learn level 5 advanced, you have to go from beginner to advanced across the board. And that is how, my friends, if you once you do all of this on level 6, you can connect all the dots and start building a full-fledged AI agent and full-fledged AI solutions. And I hope all of you guys get to that point. Right? There are two paths that you can take from here, my friends. One is that you can learn everything yourself. We have created a full roadmap. My team will share the full roadmap with you. How many of you believe that you guys want to become a generalist? Me in the chat. You believe that becoming a generalist is very, very important with AI coming into the picture that you have seen so far. We will share the full roadmap with you. The beginner, advanced, everything. I've already shown everything. We'll also share it if you have not taken in shorts, so you can learn it. Probably take you 18 months. Couple of years to be able to pull this. I'm sure you can become AI generalist yourself. But now that we have gone through the 2.5 hours of training and a day to coming next as well, can I take up something? Can I take 15 minutes of your time to tell you how to teach you to become an AI generalist? Because at Growth School we have built something with which we can teach on how you can become an AI generalist. Can I 15 minutes of your time? Because I think it would be incredibly valuable for a lot. For all those people, WebHub, I will do it myself. Thank you so much from the call at this point of time. Thank you. You guys can drop call at this point of time. Come back tomorrow, same time for this. And for all those curious minds out there who are can you help me because I want to become an AI generalist. I don't want 15 months of my time. Can you handhold me? Can you do that for me? If that is one of you people over of this, give me 15 minutes because we have built incredible program and an incredible brand to get people ahead of everyone. If you want to learn from the best leaders along with the top global community and build where you I'm super excited to introduce you Outskill. This is by Growth School, the company behind Outskill and Growth School. I'm the founder of this. Outskill. It's a specialized brand for you to become an AI generalist to everybody else. And side of Outskill, the first program that we launched essentially the AI Generalist Fellowship. The AI Generalist Fellowship is designed to teach you how to become an AI Generalist in 6 months. And there is nothing like this, and you will meet people all over the world. It's a global platform. People from 40 different countries are leveling up AI Generalists. And this year, taken the goal to train 500 people to become full stack AI Generalist. And I welcome all of you people into this program. The way we do it inside this program is very different. This program is where you learn from leaders. It's where you meet fellow disruptors. Place where you learn AI by building. And Gram is definitely not for you if you do AI is going to change the world. If you are very uncomfortable, go to comfort. If you could not understand anything about this mastermind so far. If you're not interested in collaborating, or if you're a student, web jobs, I just want a job or a degree, that's all I care about. This program is not for you. And if you cannot keep your hat aside and learn, then this program is for you. Right? I wanted to make it clear if any this, you can feel free to drop out program is not for you tomorrow to learn again. With that being said, I'll give you the complete structure of the program. And it's very different to any. Of course, we will teach you level 1 to level 5. We'll have products and whatnot, right? This is how it goes. It starts with onboarding. I told you it's a community. People, cohort 1 had people from 19 countries. Cohort 2 had people 40 different countries. Yes. People from all over the world are part of cohort. Outskill is global.